Alright, guys, I want to show you the pinnacle of science and technology that is happening with examinations in UP right now.
What?
These guys, somebody sneaked a phone in their underwear for an exam. So the authorities have decided to take it 10 steps further by inserting all the all the wands inside people's underwear.
Oh, yuck!
Also, वो चड्डी के
Yuck!
अंदर डाल के उसके मुंह के अंदर डाल रहा
Yuck!
है सीधा.
Yuck! Shruti, एक minute. What the fuck? You know, if there's a phone in your pant and you touch it from outside the pant, it'll still be. That guy knows what's up. Oh shit.
बट मुंह के अंदर क्यों चेक कर रहे हैं? इफ दे आर ट्राइंग टू प्रिवेंट फोन्स बीइंग टेकन, फोन मुंह में क्यों कौन लेके? यू नो हाउ बिग फोन्स आर राइट नाउ. You know, there is no way this can be hidden.
Outside of Rinku Singh, who can possibly fit a phone?
Phone in their mouth. Bro, that's gross. I feel so bad for these poor guys. जिनके मुंह में the thing that has touched somebody's crotch has gone.
Oh God, यार बस
ये
एग्जाम
होता है
लिखने दो यार
असली.
पब्लिक को.
This is a real magic wand, dude.
Oh no.
Oh shit. बोलो जुबा STD. Yuck.
Zuba yesterday.
But anyway, yeah, this is great leaps and bounds that we have achieved in science and technology, where you need to put the checker inside the pants.
But where does it end? Thakur, where does it end? What if I've got a mobile phone up my ass? Now, how far will you?
अबे पॉइंट अंदर
Dalo. But guys, you know what? Y'all don't have to worry about this when y'all come to watch our shows. We are not going to put anything like how these guys are done. You can just come buy tickets for our show. Ticket link is below. Pune, Mumbai this weekend, Amsterdam and London in July. ले लो ticket और we promise as much as we can that ऐसी checking आपके साथ नहीं होगी. ठीक है? तो
Unless
चलो
you want it.
Unless you want it. Then that's extra charge. चलो इसी बात पे चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड. 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random facts, develop stories, and we talk about it. And in the spirit of Bollywood postmortem, this entire month, till we finish the tour, we are going to be doing a lot of Bollywood content. और आज हम बॉलीवुड से खुरेद के निकालने वाले हैं बॉलीवुड और साइंस का जो एक अजीबोगरीब रिश्ता रहा है. ठीक है.
पहले ठाकुर बता कहाँ से आ रहा है ये?
हाँ.
क्योंकि
तो-
we have subjected ourselves voluntarily with
Yeah.
no coercion. Nobody has asked us.
Yeah.
But we have watched बड़े मियाँ छोटे
Hotel,
मियाँ.
yeah. By the way, what we do on our tours is when we reach the hotel, we sit and we watch bad movies or what we thought could have been good movies but turn out to be horribly bad. और हम लोग we just subject ourselves to the torture for you guys so that we can come do these episodes and take you all through and save you all the torture. And I think it's 2 years too late because Bade Miyan Chote Miyan came in 2024. So spoiler alert, the movie sucks.
But
Yeah.
in
The
case
movie
you're
has
out
already
there-
spoiled everything
Spoiled
for
everything.
us.
No, but if you're out there, you know, massive Akshay fan or a Tiger fan who's like, yeah, you know, I've been saving Bade Miyan Chote Miyan for a special occasion, then please
Saving it
please-
for us, like my honeymoon.
please drop out of this video right now
Right now,
because
right
we're going to
now,
give you
yeah.
quite a detailed analysis of BMCM.
Yeah, because firstly, like Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, the original was actually a copy of Bad Boys. ठीक है? First half of David Dhawan's Bade Miyan Chote Miyan was Bad Boys, and then second half was चल इस पे एक बॉलीवुड का तड़का डाल देते. Then Ali Abbas Zafar, the director of this movie, and Vashu Bhagnani said, अरे वो क्या पिक्चर बने याद है? अमित जी, गोविंदा, सुपर हिट, ये वो वापस बनाते हैं. And you had everything going for you. Okay, you have 2 movies to reference. You already know what works. ठीक है? You had an English version and you had a Hindi version. There were 2 option थे. उसके बाद भी तूने ये जो बनाया है, bro, क्या है ये पिक्चर? 450 करोड़ में बनी थी ये पिक्चर. वाशु बगनानी रास्ते पे आ गया बेचारा ये पिक्चर को बनाते बनाते. आधे लोगों को पैसे नहीं मिले और उसके बाद ये टट्टी पिक्चर बनाई है.
बट अक्षय और टाइगर को बहुत पैसे
अरे
मिले
भाई अक्षय और टाइगर ने तो बहुत पैसे कमाए भाई ये पिक्चर में.
So you know the first clue that this movie is very different from the movie it's based on. Bade Miyan Chote Miyan 1998 film with Govinda and Amitabh It was built as a buddy cop action comedy. Okay.
Hmm.
Bade Miyan Chote Miyan to 2024 is a science fiction action film
Yeah,
which you
bro.
never see coming until you see it. So start karte hain. So Thakur, very quickly for those people watching who have never seen it, how would you quickly summarize this movie?
Oh shit.
Shortest
Okay.
way possible.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. So basically, the Indian army is attacked by this terrorist who's not affiliated with any country called Pralay. Pralay is after the package. He attacks an Indian army convoy and steals the package. And then the high command has been called in, and they're like, "How do we retrieve the package?" Like, "Hamare 2 officers, our best officers, who are court-martialed, okay, who are guess who? Akshay Kumar and Tiger Shroff are the only 2 people who can retrieve this package." And in their quest to retrieve the package, they have क्या उसका नाम लड़की का मनुषी चिल्लर and
Manushi
Alaya
Chillar.
F. Alaya F. ठीक है,
Alaya
who helped?
furniture wala.
Alaya
Don't
furniture
lie to
wala.
us, Alaya. Just accept your name.
We know it's furniture wala. Anyway, so Manushi Chillar is also a fellow army cadet, and Alaya F is
He's a science. He's Q.
she is Q. Yeah, if you watch James Bond, she is essentially female Gen Z Q who knows everything about everything related to science and technology. Anytime they have to add anything absurd or use scientific mumbo jumbo, they just get Alaya and she just says words.
As per
Defibrillator,
Newton's law, the
like-
deviation that will be created by the proportional disproportionality that will be created by the quantum flux is leading to the entire quantum entanglement with the atom protons.
Yes.
Atom
Wow,
protons.
Adar,
That's
well
great,
done.
Adar. That's great.
Well done.
And I can tell you one thing. जो भी आदर ने literally बकवास ऐसा बोल दिया है ना, is very close to what she has actually
The
said
shooting script.
in the movie. Okay. Anyway, so Akshay and Tiger are off to find this package. When they reach the package, right, they realize that, oh wait, this entire thing was a ploy, not for the package, but to get Akshay and Tiger to this package. Who is the package, you may ask? The package is Sonakshi Sinha. And we are not using that slangy Eve TZ term
It's
package.
not a derogatory. This is what
It's not
she
derogatory
refers
at all.
to.
Correct. That's
It's
the word.
literally the package that has to be protected.
What is the package and why is she a package? Is because the Indian Science and Research Development Team, ऐसा कुछ IDRO, ठीक है, not even ISRO.
ISDO.
ISRO has developed a thing called Karan Kavach, which is basically a force field that covers all of India, so that missiles from China and Pakistan cannot go into India. ठीक है, this Karan Kavach is activated, and Karan Kavach का पूरा source code और वो सब, they had it in a pen drive, but they said pen drive, it can be easily hacked. तो काहे इसमें कर रहे हो? इसको हम लोग डाल देंगे सोनाक्षी सिन्हा के दिमाग में.
Yes.
Which they actually show through one operation where she is like that, and they take a suit and they घुसाओ it.
ऐसे जाके एक डंडा सोनाक्षी के गर्दन के पीछे गया है. And the thing is, there's not one doctor or nurse present when this
Yeah.
procedure is going on.
They just put it inside her. Okay, now it's there in her brain. She is the source code of the Karan Kavach. But when they reach there, Pralay, main villain, okay, who wears a mask like Kane and sounds like Bane, who's actually Prithviraj Sukumaran, right? He shows up, and then, you know, in a normal movie, you could kill the 2 protagonists, but no, I will give you backstory as to why I became what I became and what is my motive. Turns out, this
So
guy,
basically,
Pralay,
after looking like Kane and sounding like Bane, he reveals his pain.
pain.
Arey.
Correct. And what is the pain? Pain is that he was also an army officer just like Akshay and Tiger. And they were all really good friends. And the movie keeps
He
cutting
had
back.
a tech company.
Anyway.
He took over his father's tech company and he sources to the army.
Yeah, but yeah, he's still a partner. They're all friends.
Huh.
So the movie keeps cutting back to 8 years ago, 7 years ago, where we find out that this guy, Prithviraj Sukumaran, was actually the heir to this massive tech company that comes up with cutting edge tech for the Indian army, right? He has developed a tech. What is the tech? He can make clones. Actual real versions, superhuman,
soldier.
meta-human versions of actual soldiers, so that our real soldiers don't lose their lives, and hence he needs to send the clones there.
And what's the USP of these clones? The USP of these clones is that they will listen to any command. Unlike Tiger and Akshay, who
Akshay.
listen to barely one command
Correct.
before going rogue.
Correct.
Hence, they are court-martialed.
Correct.
Yes.
No, so then these guys are told that, hey, he goes and tells the army, ki, hey, I've made these clones, you can control them how you want. This, for some reason, is actually a thing that the army decides, the high command decides that no. The reason I like our real soldiers is because क्या था?
They can think their
like,
autonomy. They
yeah,
like
yeah,
their
autonomy is their biggest this, not like
Asset.
उनका conscience,
their conscience, their conscience.
ज़मीर, उनके उसूल,
हाँ,
उनके
ज़मीर, that's the word. क्योंकि उसमें ज़मीर है और ये
Yeah,
बाकी
they
लोग क्या
want the
ज़मीर नहीं.
soldiers package to be unopened. The
Yes.
package should be intact.
So High Command says no, and we will not take, and immediately ask Prithviraj Shivakumaran, aka Pralay, to stop and stop the company. Okay, and they say, fuck it, we can't do that. They then tell Akshay and Tiger that you have to go there, make sure that this entire thing is stopped, and you dismantle the whole thing and take all the research pieces so that he doesn't do it on his own. As they reach there, guess what? Prithviraj Sukumaran, Pralay, has actually cloned a version of himself, who he instantly falls in love with and calls him his child. Okay, ऐसे अभी just oven से निकाला है और अभी वो उसका child है.
Literally oven से निकाला है.
oven से निकाला उसको. ठीक है. अक्षय
वो बहुत देर के लिए oven में पकड़ा भी था. There's a scene
yeah.
where वो पकड़ा and just twitching.
Yeah,
Just twitching.
ऐसे. So they come, destroy the lab, kill the clone, which they think is the real person. They didn't know that it was a clone. They think they've killed the real Prithviraj, but it is actually the clone. उन लोग जाने के बाद पृथ्वीराज डिसाइड्स कि मैं ये रिसर्च करूंगा और मैं दिखाऊंगा इंडियन आर्मी को कि क्या होता है सीन. सो ही स्पेंड्स द नेक्स्ट 7 years accumulating his army, getting more
Also,
clones
I
ready.
love his revenge pattern. His revenge pattern is Indian army से revenge लेना है, but priority is पहले अक्षय कुमार और टाइगर श्रॉफ से revenge लेना है. Then I'll handle the Indian army.
And how does he do that? He just casually makes clones of Akshay and Tiger. So now Akshay and Tiger have to fight Akshay and Tiger. See, again, parallels to the original movie. Amitabh और Amit ji और गोविंदा के भी duplicate थे, but it was all funny and this. इसमें they are meta-humans with no expressions. So you can't tell which is the real tiger and which is the clone.
You really cannot tell.
You cannot
it's
tell.
Crazy.
And-
It's crazy. Like, there's a fight sequence where you're just like, am I?
कौतुक literally went, कौन किसको मार रहा है real वाला
Because
कौन
all
सा?
of them have the same bulletproof vest. They all dressed in black. So
It's so
Kautuk was
weird.
genuinely confused.
It's so weird. Like, you genuinely can't tell who's fighting whom because there's not one distinction between clone Kumar and real Kumar and clone Tiger and real Tiger. Like, expression wise, movement, nothing.
अक्षय कुमार का पता चलता है. The clone doesn't flirt with women as much. वो नहीं करता.
Then it eventually ends up in a full blowout between real Akshay Tiger versus clone Akshay and Tiger and Pralay, who then reveals that, hey, I wasn't dead, that was my clone. ये literally अब्बास मस्तान हो रहा है. कोई real नहीं है, सब clone के clone है. The movie ends with real Akshay and Tiger fighting clone Akshay and Tiger and eventually defeating Pralay, which is Prithviraj Sukumaran, restoring the Karan Kavach around India and stopping missiles from India that he has sent to Pakistan. And then everybody is happy and they win. And then they have cut to some 2 random songs that they just shot in Jordan for no fucking reason. And then just when you think it's over, guess what? It's not, because then they go back and then they show Prithviraj Sukumaran, who has been killed, suddenly comes back to life because Ali Abbas Zafar thought कि अबे इसका तो sequel बनेगा ही, ठीक है? The gall to think ये picture का sequel बनेगा, and the movie ends. And if you thought my
the sequel-
5-minute version was bad, please go and watch the 2-hour 45-minute version.
45-minute version.
भाई इतना
Bro,
गंदा है.
I would have loved for this to
गंदा है.
succeed so that we could have seen सबसे बड़े मियाँ and सबसे छोटे मियाँ, like the sequel.
सबसे बड़े. And then international बड़े मियाँ, international
International
छोटे
बड़े
International बड़े मियाँ. Oh man.
अरे
This is-
बड़े
this is-
फिर
this
ऐसा हो ना
was
बड़े
खिलाड़ी,
मियाँ
this was
छोटा
the new
पंथी,
खिलाड़ी.
बड़े मियाँ छोटा पंथी, बड़ा बागी
But
छोटा बागी.
It's crazy.
Bro,
It's a wild movie.
It is very, very bad.
The
And now-
worst use of flashback I have ever seen in this film, because there's a point where a soldier asks Ronit Roy कि ये लोग कोर्ट मार्शल क्यों हुए थे? Cut to 8 years ago. And there's an operation. So now you're assuming that the operation gets botched. They're going and attacking a terrorist and they're like rescuing people from a terrorist in Afghanistan. They fucked up the operation, hence they got court-martialed. Nope. They rescue the person, kill the terrorist and come back. And it cuts back to now. And then she goes, हाँ लेकिन इनको कोर्ट मार्शल क्यों किया? वो बाद में बताता हूँ. 15 मिनट
15 मिनट
एक फ्लैशबैक
No payoff. they cut back to a flashback inside which a character has a dream sequence.
Yeah.
भाई नोलन भी देख के बोले इसका तो मत कर.
But some other very choice, interesting decisions. For example, there's 350 crores. Now, the film looks like a lot of money has been spent on it, especially when you see there is a dance that is shot in the Colosseum in Rome. They have shut down the Colosseum, where like thousands of years ago, blood was being spilt onto the ground.
Gladiators.
And now Tiger and Akshay are gyrating on it.
To a very bad rendition. You remember the original title? बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ सुभान. अरे अभी तक गाएगा, अभी तक नाचेगा उस पे. इसके अंदर they have a weird rap like बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ सुभान अल्लाह बड़े तो बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ सुभान अल्लाह. यही है.
And so what's interesting is कि there is a few things almost like recurring themes that keep happening. Okay, one is anytime there is a song, Akshay and Tiger are both in the song and both, like gyrating together in some weird way.
The amount of times Akshay and Tiger have ऐसे एक दूसरे को देख के ये जो किया ना, this
amount, like the amount of support they give each other throughout the movie.
We are both in this together, brother. सिर्फ तेरी वाट नहीं लगेगी, मेरी भी लगेगी. I know it sucks, but क्या तेरे को मिल गया ना, पैसे मिल गए ना तुझे. हाँ, मुझे भी मिल गए. कैश कर ले फटाफट, इन्वेस्ट कर दे, ना तो वापस देने पड़ेंगे.
Like, there is way more physical contact between the two leads than they have with their female like love interests. Like, this movie completely got it wrong. Okay, like it completely got it wrong. Then I'm meaning it got the idea of Manushi and Alaya wrong. It should have just been a Tiger Akshay romance. Like it would have been fucking, that's the correct thing. Then the next thing that they do is the second thing that recurs throughout the movie. Okay, if you just skip through the movie randomly, at some point or the other, you will just see random shots of Tiger and Akshay with machine guns moving very slowly and killing people. Okay, it's just constantly, it's the same shot, and then they're jumping out while there is an explosion behind them. Like this is probably the entire movie actually visually. If you look
it happens at least 8 times when we counted.
Yeah, and nobody that they're up against, nobody has any accuracy with their weapon. Meaning, and usually people don't even know what a gun, like they basically the antagonists, they use a gun like it's a club.
So Akshay will always fire a bazooka. And bazooka का वो rocket launcher का एक rocket निकल गया, उसके बाद अक्षय का वो बन गया है तलवार क्लब
डांडिया ब्रो लेके ऐसे उसको मारना और you can hear bum bum.
Also great drinking game. Every time Alaya F says G.I. Joe to Tiger Shroff, you guys take a shot.
Yes.
Well, the reason this qualifies it because there's it's very clear that Ali Abbas Zafar, the director, has watched a lot of these movies, but for some reason when we start adapting the kind of science and technology used in the Hollywood movies, it just becomes weirdly cartoonish for us. You know what I mean? Like they've shown your holograms are happening, like scientific mumbo jumbo where he's like, oh, I can make thousands of clones. You can see people's expression because it's a green screen shot and you're cutting to their reaction. They don't know what is eventually going to be put. So the actors have a very clueless, not corresponding to the actual image expression. Just weird, like, कि क्या बोल रहे भाई? एक time पे Alaya F बोलती है, oh, this is not going to happen because it has an EMP device. It's a climax, okay? Tension is high. She says EMP device, electromagnetic pulse. We've seen that in a million Hollywood movies. But directors like इसमें comedy हो जाए, तो Tiger Shroff बोलता है क्या EMI? मुझे EMI भरना है.
And by the way, this is
by the way, a nuke, like rockets are about to hit India.
No, India has about to hit Indian rockets go towards Pakistan.
And they will attack. So that is so it's that is how tense the situation is, but there is no tension.
So इधर pause करना चाहिए क्योंकि this is a bigger disease affecting a lot of films, which is the Marvelization of movies. So Marvel cracked this tone कि एक्शन के बीच में कॉमेडी कैसे घुसाएं, राइट? सो एवरी मार्वल कैरेक्टर इज वन क्विपी, यू नो, टोनी स्टार्क, या लाइक अ one of those guys, right? कि कोई भी टेंस सिचुएशन उसमें एक जोक मार दिया. Now the thing is that same template has been chapoed everywhere, and they try to do it in this film as well. Now the Marvel thing also gets tiring after a point, because what happens is ki, like when you're watching a story,
they
right,
all started becoming generic. They all started with character appropriate quips and then just turned into generic.
क्या funny बोल सकते हैं, right? So the thing is ki, like in these situations what happens is ki the audience is getting that cue from the actors, right? That's when your mirror neurons are firing and you're like, shit, what the actor is feeling, I should be feeling. But if the actor himself is like, I'm not taking this seriously, so then it diffuses the tension in the audience as well. Like you never feel like they're in danger. Because like how many people did they kill? You feel, guys, like just ballpark figure, how many do you think was the body
at least 1,000 throughout the runtime of the movie. अबे एक 15 मिनट के सीन में उन्होंने कुछ 400 लोग को मार दिया है ब्रो. There's people just
opening scene में वो लोग 2 AK-47 लेके आते हैं and then fire at terrorists who all have AK-47s, but for some reasons the terrorists want to run away from their AK-47s. हमारे पास भी है. अबे तेरे पास भी गन है? नहीं मेरे को भागना है इन लोग से. इन लोग के पास आ गया, ये तो प्रॉब्लम है.
Also for reasons that are completely mysterious. One mission where Tiger Shroff, as Adar rightly pointed out, Tiger Shroff does a cosplay of Assassin's Creed, okay, but in Kabul, and he is given, for completely unknown reasons, a bow and arrow. To go and take on a heavily armed, like sieged place.
Terrorists
going with a
bro, 500 terrorists are all with proper weapon, machine guns, AKs, Uzis, what do you call
rocket
it?
launcher,
RPG,
anti-aircraft guns.
सब कुछ है उनके पास. These अपने guys have actually come in a military proper aircraft which has like all sorts of like buttons that make things happen, situation happening. They come down, they're on horses, they are throwing bombs that activate. Like you've never seen those bombs anywhere. अपने इधर public के पास है कि नहीं मालूम नहीं. They have bombs. अक्षय कुमार के पास गन है, लेकिन टाइगर सीधा ये लेगोलास
the thing is if the thing was कि, oh, we don't want to give you weapons that will make noise or whatever like that, then both of them should have bow and arrow, but one guy has a gun and the other, so this means it's a choice कि मैं लेके जाऊंगा bow and arrow. क्यों बन रहा है तो हॉकाय? क्या चल रहा है bro? So that was,
and then that Pralay guy is bro, his entire plan is only, उसका plan ही गलत है. उसका प्लान ही गलत है. अगर तू पूरा पिक्चर स्पेंड कर रहा है कि मेरे को टाइगर और अक्षय से बदला लेना है, और जब बदले का टाइम आता है, टेक अ वाइल्ड गेस हाउ ही डिसाइड्स टू टेक बदला अगेंस्ट देम. पुट्स देम ऑन अ लाइक अ वुडन स्ट्रक्चर एंड there's a noose, their hands and legs are tied, they all have guns. You can just say तेरे से बदला लेना था मुझे, डिश मर गया, खत्म. अभी क्लोन्स और क्लोन के अंदर कुछ और नहीं. They make them stand, they are put a noose, they've been chained, and then they put that wooden structure on fire.
And then they leave.
And they
leave.
They don't
देखना भी नहीं है.
It's not
This is too much for me to watch. मुझे बदला लेना है, but I don't want to watch this. This is old James Bond tropes.
No, but it's not even a wooden structure. It was literally a gallows. Okay, it was literally a
makeshift gallows.
People. Okay, it's literally that. There should have been there is a trap door on which they are standing, and they should just fall. That's it. That's how you use that device. But no, they said, why don't we take them? It's like going to a guillotine and then saying ki abhi na hum log, instead of the thing falling, we're going to shoot them with a gun. Like why? There is a way that thing is constructed. So ek to wo tha. Fir and now we come to the science of the thing. That's what we were sort of leading to.
Yeah, the main science was that where all the source code of this Karan Kavach force field around India is put into Sonakshi Sinha's brain, which he could have taken out at any point of time. But he doesn't. He waits till the last fucking 5 minutes and then he's like, chal, which means Sonakshi Sinha spends a great part of the movie
bound, tied.
Yeah. It's like, she's like a sentient pen drive, basically.
Yeah. You know, she's literally a hard drive, and she
hard drive नहीं है, technically she's soft drive, na?
Yeah, someone tells her also कि तुम पेन ड्राइव हो या हार्ड ड्राइव हो, ऐसा कुछ तो बोलते हैं उनको, उसको बोलते हैं हाँ मेरे इसके अंदर है, द लॉजिक बीइंग कि कोई मेरे को हैक नहीं कर पाएगा, राइट? बट थिंक अबाउट दिस, द फैक्ट that a person is one of the most fallible objects in the universe. Like you could have died by accident, you could have, like, any number of things could have happened, but anyway डाल दिया इसमें, and then in the end Prithviraj Sukumaran puts one device on her head, and then on a screen you see password changed.
Yeah, yes, downloaded
उसने
सोनाक्षी के
सोनाक्षी
दिमाग.
सिन्हा का पासवर्ड चेंज किया. Now Sonakshi Sinha can't get into her own head
And when that scene happened, we all paused the movie and took a minute because it hurt us deeply.
because
Then
the
we
writers
played it
didn't take a
again.
minute. Writers, please hesitate.
Please hesitate, bro,
So
sometime.
because changing of passwords has deeply affected us, then we started the thing again, and the fact that they have hacked into her brain, changed the password from whatever device was inside
The
her.
fact that she had a password in her brain, bro, like how does that even work? How does that even? It's already in your brain, right? Isn't it already downloaded?
You know
So
the thing.
you have. It's like every time you have to think about something, your brain asks you for a password. Arey, I have to now do a podcast. Okay, but give password first. Varun 123. Okay, now you can do podcast. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है भाई, तेरे दिमाग में है पहले से.
You know, the thing was, there was no two-factor authentication. Like,
Yeah.
how is my Swiggy delivery more secure than the codes of nuclear weapons? Why is it that it should have been hacking initiated? Find two-factor authentication. Then he's like, अरे फोन कहाँ है यार, दूसरे रूम में रुक.
हाँ, कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना कि सोनाक्षी के दिमाग में every time you try to access, it sends a OTP to high command, and then the army chief has to
तो
enter the OTP.
Ronit Roy के पास आता है.
Yeah, and then you can access. But इधर तो easily कुछ, bro, when science is used just as a, चल ये करना है तो उसको एक डाल दे भाई कुछ.
If they had just put it in a hard drive और वो hard drive को कई खड्डे में डाल दिया होता, Pralay could never find it. The fact that they put it in this moving human being, which is very, very visible.
Also, the fact that, what do you think? Like, if you access someone's brain, what interface shows up? Like, do you see files of memories? Do you see like do you have to? Is it searchable?
Is it running on
ऐसा
Apple,
एक फाइल ऐसे
Android?
खोला है, अरे प्यार से डर नहीं लगता, थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से डर लगता है. अरे
वो उसका सीक्रेट क्वेश्चन है. To access this, what is the secret question? थप्पड़ से नहीं डर लगता, but किससे लगता है question? Answer is प्यार से.
No. Also, she should have been like, listen, अगर तुम हैक कर ही लियो तो 2-3 चीज डिलीट भी कर
दो यार, थोड़ा राउडी राठौड़ निकाल दो ना प्लीज मेरे दिन.
Also, hack never given an explanation about how something is being hacked.
Yeah.
Just
Bollywood thinks that if you just take a helmet which has wires attached to it now and you just put it on people's head, everything just downloads. It just goes. Why is it every time you see shit like this, like a face off, right? Face off में एक Nicolas Cage, अभी John Travolta. No, none of us said, अरे ये कैसे हो सकता है? अरे क्या पिक्चर था? Right? But somehow अपने इधर करते तो क्यों खराब होता है यार? Why?
No,
We have to
because
get to the
उनका
bottom of
पूरा
that.
picture, the whole movie is centered around that one
Yes.
absurd idea, and they're trying their best to be as this is just the first 30 seconds. बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ के फेस एक्सचेंज हो गया. ओ फेस का, ओके वेरी गुड. लाइक द वे रोनित रॉय वो लड़की बोलती है, मनुश्री चिल्ला राखी उसको बोलती है कि वो आदमी ने मुझे मारा और मैंने उसका गले में रॉड डाल दिया, बट इट हील्ड ऑन इट्स ओन. एंड रोनित रॉय वेरी मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट, meta human. Just very matter of fact that the Indian army is very aware of meta humans. Just walking around, nobody's panicking.
And what is weird is that you're obviously making this movie for mass, right? And then you usually Bollywood movies will have some scientific mumbo jumbo, and then some guy comes and explains it in Hindi कि क्या चल रहा है.
And explain it with a metaphor, like for example,
meta humor for
like कि उसने पासवर्ड मेरे दिमाग में डाल दिया. सोचो अगर आपके पास एक हार्ड ड्राइव होता और अगर it's one of those, like it's a very with an example wala thing.
Again, they've shown one meta human, okay, that this person self heals, so you can't kill it actually. But in the explanation of here's my grand idea, he just says I have clones. He doesn't explain that those clones are also meta humans.
But that's how they heal themselves. बोलते हैं कि कैसे है वो, because they have a subatomic something accelerator part. Basically, when they explain it in Hindi, this is the explanation. उनके अंदर एक सूरज है.
हाँ.
हाँ, उनके अंदर एक सूरज है. करेक्ट
It's like how do you get it down to like अरे हमको explain तो करना है, नहीं तो किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा कि क्या चल रहा है.
But by the way,
So,
this movie is, I think, about, I would say, 70% in English. And most of
Yeah.
the English is, come on, let's go, move, all right, attack, come on, let's go.
I can't do this. I can't do this.
Package.
How are you doing this? What is
Package.
happening? This is a
Package.
subatomic defibrillator.
But sir, I don't understand. How can we get it? How did he get it? What is happening? Like, it's
Oh
just
damn.
Yeah,
हाँ,
okay.
डैम तो बहुत है भाई पिक्चर में. डैम्स,
कुछ
there's
भी.
a lot of dams.
कुछ भी.
Please, what does he say? Follow the orders. Like, it's just a lot of follow the orders, and Akshay and Tiger going, no,
हाँ, direct order. That's a direct order.
that's a direct order.
Yeah. And
then-
the villain who's Takia Kalam. You know, हर villain का होता है ना कि दिल garden हो गया, Mogambo खुश हुआ. Pralay just says every time a person is dying, a random side character is dying. A poor army officer is getting killed. He is on his last breath. No consequence to the rest of the story. This person, but Pralay, the villain, goes and starts giving exposition about his plans to this guy who's dying
Yeah.
right now.
Who did ask for it?
Who didn't ask for it? He's like, भाई तूने मार दिया मेरे को, मैं वैसे भी नहीं हूँ. I can't even tell anybody, right? I'm going to die. But he gives,
But it's
and his final,
philosophical. It's
his
always
final line is
philosophical.
always, और उनको बोल दो, the game has just begun. ठीक है, उसने beginning में बोला, फिर वो 40 मिनट के बाद वापस game has just begun, फिर वो 1 घंटा 25 मिनट पे the game has just begun. उसने 4 बार बोला है, bro. 2 hours into the movie, like game has just begun. आपने साले 2 घंटे हो गए पिक्चर के. The game
You know what this reminds me of?
be
Please
halfway
let the
through.
game end. Please
No,
let
no.
the game end.
You know what this reminds me of? This is when you go to a friend's house who's really into board games, right? And then they lay out a Catan or something like that, and it's 2 hours in, and they're like, "Arey, the game has
Abhi.
just begun. I have just told you all the rules so far. Wait."
What should have happened in the post credit scene is वो sequel bait में कि प्रलय ऐसे वापस जिंदा होता है और बोलता है extra time and then just ends.
Yeah, but to sum it all up, movie is pretty shit. Still watch it if you want to go lol. But yeah, 2 hours 45 minutes of absolute trash.
You know, and by the way, the thing is, it's not. I would not recommend this movie because it's not fun bad. It's bad, and the reason is bad because it's boring. That's the one cardinal mistake. For the last hour of this movie, nothing happens, nothing changes. They just keep
Thar.
fighting.
That is all that is happening.
Just keep fighting.
Bro, it's like money is gone to Akshay Kumar, Tiger, Ali Abbas Zafar, action team. ठीक है, ये 4 के बीच में 350 करोड़ चले गए और बाकी अगर 2-5 रुपया बचा तो थोड़ा मनुष्य को चिल्लर मिले पिक्चर में.
अलाया को फर्नीचर मिला है.
फर्नीचर मिला है. ठीक है, राइटर खुद अली अब्बास जफर ही है, तो बेचारे राइटर, ही इज मेड मनी इनफ फॉर राइटिंग स्क्रीन प्ले, डायलॉग, डायरेक्शन एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग. So
see, this
it's
is
like
where the
a-
economy is at. कि Ali Abbas Zafar has to do so many jobs to just like make ends
just
meet.
to make 30 crores.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was our review of all the weird science in Bade Miyan Chote Miyan. If you watched the movie, right, the game has just begun. If you think the movie sucked, right, the game has just begun. Because the rest of the podcast has just begun. Because Bollywood has given us some gems, right? We spoke about reincarnation pehle, but now we have crazy science in terms of everything. Medical science alag hai, technology ka kuch alag hai. So we've got a list of some movies where Bollywood has used science less as reality, more as कि हाँ suggestion क्या है, ऐसा होता है science में. जैसे कि do you know the movie हम शक्ल्स?
Wait, the Humshakals, the one
नहीं
that
अबे the movie हम शक्ल रे अपना.
No, as in, वही ना, the worst comedy ever made.
Yes.
हाँ, साजिद खान वाला हम शक्ल्स. उसमें
हाँ.
there is one track which is what, where a doctor comes up with a pill. And what does this pill do? This pill changes the chromosomes of humans for a very convenient 24 hours only. And for hilarity purposes, it changes the chromosome of a human to a dog. So for 24 hours, whoever has taken this pill has the body of a human but the brain of a dog, and repeatedly they keep saying, शरीर इंसान का, अकल कुत्ते की.
Nice. But Thakur,
That
एक
could
बात बता.
describe any of the actors in the
Any other characters. But
Yeah.
Thakur, एक बात बता. If you got a pill that if you had it for 24 hours, you could literally have Banksy's brain, memory, everything. You would take it, right?
या अभी तू इफ यू ऐसे बैंक्सी को तू कॉन्वर्सेशन में घुसा रहा है तो मैं कुछ भी करूंगा. मैं जानना, बट इट्स नो, बट दैट्स द थिंग. अभी तूने कन्वीनियंटली चेंज किया. तूने बोला मुझे बैंक्सी का दिमाग है.
No, I'm not saying. I'm just saying as a thought experiment. तू ले लेता ना.
इफ इट इज स्पेसिफिकली बैंक्सी कि मैं पिल खाऊंगा और मैं 24 घंटे के लिए बैंक्सी का दिमाग मेरे अंदर है, 24 घंटे से लिल too much. I don't want 24
And Banksy का दिमाग तेरे अंदर है. So you're just peeing in the corners of your house. जाके सीधा जमीन से कुछ भी चाट के खा रहा है. तो it's just and there's footage of Varun just being a dog. And the dog being walking around like a human.
Imagine what Sajid Khan must have done with this, ना कि अभी तू सोच ना, comedically he just sat there and he's like कुछ ऐसा कर देते कि funny हो जाए. जैसे there's that laughing gas scene in the first Houseful. मालूम है ना उन लोग क्या करते हैं? They accidentally put the laughing gas in the centralized air conditioning of Windsor Palace.
Yeah.
So all our guys are going to go meet the Queen and then alive Queen and Charles and all of that. और ये फैल जाता है, फिर सब लोग हंसने लग जाते हैं. तो the climax is that, not climax, but it's the entire thing is them all going crazy and laughing. कोई मार खा रहा है, हंस रहा है, गिर रहा है, हंस रहा है.
But I think to kind of elaborate on what Adar was also saying, right? कि a lot of times what happens is here the science is incidental to the plot. The science is not the plot. It's
Never.
What leads to some, like like we're not preoccupied with the science. Now this is also true in the West, but they handle it slightly better. Like I think Thakur and Adar have told you guys this anecdote, but want to repeat. So my favorite thing that happened is I saw a favorite anecdote about this movie called Project Hail Mary. Okay, is this? So if you've seen Project Hail Mary, then it's a great film. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Super.
After I came back from watching it, I wanted to know how it was written and made. So YouTube पे गया, एक video था where there is an interview with Andy Weir, who's written the book Project Hail Mary. He's a hardcore science fiction writer. And then simultaneously there was an interview with Drew Goddard, who's the screenwriter of Project Hail Mary. Now, both of them were asked the same question. What is Project Hail Mary about? Now, the hardcore science fiction writer who wrote the book, his answer was, there's a parasite that's eating up the sun and humanity's last hope is to send a man up there and save the day. That was his answer. Very scientific. When they asked Drew Goddard, what is Project Hail Mary about? His answer was, it's about the friendship between an astronaut and an alien. Right? That's it. So, usually when you adapt anything into a film, it's about the emotions, right?
Yeah.
With the science just being one sort of like a inciting incident. But even to handle that well, like it's not just कि अरे कुछ funny हो जाएगा अगर ये करेंगे. Like you still have to work.
No, but people were going crazy over that also. क्योंकि उन लोग ने बोला कि वो गया and why did the other two astronauts die and Ryan Gosling didn't die? The book has an answer. All three of them had a gene that allows them to stay asleep in that stasis for that long. And Ryan Gosling just has a stronger. That's why Ryan Gosling is selected in the last minute because he actually has that mutation in his DNA. So that's why he has to go and they can't just pick any other random person to go.
इसमें तो बोला नहीं
पब्लिक ऐसा अरे ये दिया नहीं तुम लोग ने पिक्चर में इंफॉर्मेशन और यहाँ पे हम लोग सोनाक्षी के सर के अंदर हार्ड ड्राइव
सीधा विदाउट एनी मेडिकल सुपरविजन सीधा एक सुई घुसा दी है उसके अंदर.
उसको एनेस्थीसिया भी नहीं दिया था.
नहीं दिया.
Oh fuck, she was awake. They just gusedoed it.
Just local anesthesia लेके सीधा brainstem के अंदर
नहीं दिया था bro, because she winced and everything, यार. Like सीधा.
But by the way, if you think about this, like it's such a good point because if you compare, even कोई मिल गया, right? Yeah. कोई मिल गया when it's a joke, right? Om. इस पे होके ये होगा, it's a joke. They try to give explanation of it. That sound is the sound of the universe. That's what it sounds like. It's at a certain gigahertz. So there is all of that, but it was done in such a rudimentary way, right? ऐसे एक CPU है, ओम वो जा रहा है सिग्नल, आ गया कोई. We didn't care.
Yeah.
We didn't care. we are like, Hojesh, जादू आ गया है अभी करो, क्योंकि rest of the movie holds up.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
still holds up. And I'll still watch it. You will still show it to.
I'll still watch
I'll
Koi
still
Mil
watch
Gaye,
it.
Bro,
तो
by the
उसमें भी
way,
साइंस के साथ तो मजाक ही कर रहा है, but it's still like there is so much more that it doesn't become the movie. You know what I mean? Even if it is used as a device, it is used for a larger human story, an emotional story.
yeah. And like the fact that Jadoo did LASIK way before LASIK was a thing, that's quite commendable. Yeah.
No, and
Then
also
we
look at
had-
Jadu's powers. Na, he gets his powers from the sun, but he can make Ritik, Rohit, who has a certain disability, become okay.
बस हम लोग यही कर रहे हैं भाई. सोनाक्षी
ठीक
सिन्हा
हो
is a
जाता है.
hard drive, Jadoo is a battery pack. चल रहा है.
Dude, by the way, you must listen to this. Okay, so by the way, our love affair with science fiction is not new. Bollywood's been doing it for like sadiyon, literally. So there is, by the way, if you have the time and you want to have some fun, please go look up. There's a Wikipedia page called Science Fiction Films in India. Okay, उसमें must एक list है. You can go through all of these things. Like for example, there is one film, okay, from 1964. And it's got such a wonderfully 1964 name. The name is Mr. X in Bombay.
Oh, spy.
No,
नहीं, sci-fi ना.
sci-fi romantic comedy starring Kishore Kumar. Okay, now listen to the plot. Plot is Shobha lives with her scientist dad, Professor Mathur, who is conducting experiments on various issues.
Various issues,
Various
not research.
issues. Then one day, her father, Professor Mathur, calls one employee and he says, "Drink this." Okay, gives him a potion. Manohar, the employee, drinks it and promptly dies.
Dies.
So Manohar is dead. Now there's another guy who works there called Rajan. So Rajan sees that Manohar is dead, so he says, "I'll help you dispose of the body." So Professor Mathur is like, "Oh yes, thank you." So dispose हो गया body, ठीक है? But Rajan
One
is
issue
like,
taken care of.
so, yeah. So Rajan is like, "एक second, sir, मैंने body तो dispose कर दिया, पर अब मैं करूँगा आपको blackmail." Okay, so Professor Mathur is like, "Shit, what do I do to make you stop blackmailing me?" He's like, "How about you let me marry Shobha, your daughter?"
Oh.
So now, just as this marriage is about to happen, Shobha meets a poet named Sudarshan. So she falls in love with Sudarshan, and therefore she rejects Rajan. Okay, and then she finds out that she gets a note which is addressed from Sudarshan in which he states he's going to kill himself. Thereafter, every night she starts hearing Sudarshan's voice, blaming her for his death as his soul is unable to find solace. With Sudarshan out of the way, Rajan readies himself to marry Shobha without having to encounter any more obstacles. But all this time, Sudarshan was actually invisible, not dead.
Oh.
And Professor Mathur makes him visible again at the end.
Why hasn't this movie been remade?
But this is great.
This is a great movie. This is Invisible Man.
Yeah.
This is the new Invisible Man. Like the proper like जो नया thriller है from the who's that actress यार from
Elizabeth
Handmaid's
Moss.
Tale? Oh, Elizabeth Moss, हाँ.
But yeah,
Wow,
I mean,
bro.
like, yeah, full and proper
Yeah, अच्छा
Bollywood
plot.
treatment. कि
Yeah.
poet भी है, invisible भी है,
And Kishore Kumar
आवाज भी आ रही है.
sounds like the right person to do this.
और तो गारा भी होगा ना किशोर दा.
So Mr. X.
Bro, this is actually good because अपने इस पे you know like how you treat romance with like science, right? तो अपने इस पे Bollywood में when it comes to medical science and romance, that is also a long history where in Hello Brother देख for example, सलमान खान मर जाता है, ठीक है? वही टाइम पे अरबाज खान हॉस्पिटल में होता है, who's shot and he needs an urgent heart transplant. सलमान भी मर गया तो सलमान का हार्ट आ जाता है अरबाज खान के अंदर.
Yes.
और अरबाज खान प्यार में पड़ जाता है
Yes.
रानी मुखर्जी के और सलमान भूत बन जाता है. रिमेम्बर आर थिंग वाज ऑलवेज लाइक दैट कि कुछ भी होगा अगर तेरा दिल किसी और के दिल इसको मिल गया ना हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट तो स्ट्रेट whoever you love तेरा भी प्यार उसके साथ ही.
Meaning all the romantic feelings are housed in the dil. And
In the
organ that just pumps blood, but
Yeah.
now it also has all your feelings.
All your
attached.
feelings.
एंड जब तू निकालेगा ना तो फिर तू बन जाएगा ये, राइट हीरो?
But yeah, but Salman has done this a couple of times. Salman has done this in another movie also where Preeti Zinta gets somebody else's heart and Preeti Zinta falls in love with Salman because उसकी बीवी का दिल उधर. Wait, and then Salman did it again in Sikandar also.
Oh
But
yeah.
Sikandar, उसके love interest के body parts keep getting passed on.
So then we have to talk about Mr. India, by the way, a thing that did the science, like it's very OTT, but again, like the point is the science coupled with the emotion, right? Like
But again, see
it's a
na,
good.
one thing, why Mr. India works on the face of phenomenon. One thing, invisible होता है, लाल रंग के शीशे में दिखता है. खत्म. No superpower, no addition of super strength or this, नहीं. He's just a guy, invisible, लाल बत्ती में दिखता है.
No,
खत्म.
you're not questioning the science behind. अरे ये ब्रेसलेट से वो इनविजिबल क्यों हो रहा है? अभी हो रहा है. That's the world of the movie. Now you stick to that and then you go for gold. Except when you start using it randomly as per your own कि चल अभी एक काम कर, अभी 5 मिनट है अपने पास, कुछ कर देना है कुछ. एक उसको ये पिला दे तो वो ऐसे बिहेव करेगा. फिर 5 मिनट हंस के you move on. That's not the point. In fact, when you talk about shit like this, you remember there was a movie called Kam Waqt Ishq.
Yeah.
अरे यार.
कम वक्त इश्क, फॉर दोज ऑफ यू डोंट नो, स्पॉइलर अलर्ट, 2008 में रिलीज हुई थी वो. कम वक्त इश्क का स्टोरी है कि अक्षय कुमार का ऑपरेशन कर रही है करीना कपूर, हुज अ डॉक्टर. शी फिनिशेस द ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल, शी स्टिचेस हिम बैक अप. अक्षय, हे थैंक यू, अक्षय कुमार गोज होम एंड सडनली ही कैन हियर ओम मंगलम मंगलम, ओम मंगलम मंगलम. ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है? मिस्टर एक्स इन बॉम्बे में उसको किशोर दा की पोएट्री सुनाई दे रही है जो एक्चुअली इनविजिबल है. गुड ट्विस्ट. इसका ट्विस्ट क्या है? ड्यूरिंग हर ऑपरेशन उसका वॉच गिर गया है. वॉच या कुछ ब्रेसलेट गिर गया है जिसमें वो गाना प्ले होता है, ओम मंगलम मंगलम. दैट द एंटायर मूवी starts off with that. That's the main crux of the fucking movie.
And you know who
Medical
took the
negligence.
same,
That entire movie's plot is medical negligence.
you know who took the same exact trope and nailed it? Christopher Nolan.
Ah.
Christopher Nolan.
Inception.
No, in Dark Knight.
Inception.
Dark
Oh, हाँ,
Knight.
Dark Knight में भी है.
Dark Knight, where when Joker is in the jail.
Because उसके वो जो
उसके अंदर फोन
मोटे
डाल के
आदमी
रखता
के
है,
हाँ
bomb.
हाँ ये है ना.
बॉम्ब है.
अच्छा तू बोल रहा है कि नोलन एक दिन घर पे बैठा था. For some reason
उसको
he was
कमबख्त
watching.
दिखी.
For some reason he was watching Zee
He's
Cinema.
stuck in a place.
And he is
Joker
watching.
कैसे निकलेगा?
He is watching अक्षय कुमार do ओम मंगलम मंगलम. अरे, ये क्या हो रहा है? जोकर ये यूज करेगा अपने इसमें.
You know who else did this trope? Funnily enough, Jurassic Park 3. where?
Oh yeah, dinosaur
When the dinosaur
फोन खा
dogs
जाता है.
starts talking.
No. So the
नहीं डायनासोर
Spinosaurus-
फोन खा जाता है.
हाँ,
सैटेलाइट फोन.
dinosaurs phone खा जाता है. So there's this moment where they're about to escape, like they're trapped in one. Sorry, they're trapped in one thing where there's the electric fence is there, and
Yeah.
they're like, oh, we've not seen the Spinosaur in a while, and then suddenly,
So they're like, अरे fuck satellite phone बज रहा है. So they all start running towards the phone and they realize कि डायनासोर ने निगल लिया था फोन.
और वो खड़ा है उधर, he's just standing there like this, okay, because
like-
he's also wondering, bro, क्या खाया मैं
कहाँ
कल रात?
मैं उठाऊं कैसे ये फोन? मैं तो पहुंच रहा ही नहीं है. स्पीकर पे बात कर लेता हूँ. हेलो
क्या हो रहा है?
ठीक, हेलो.
Okay.
हाँ सॉरी आई कांट हियर यू, हैव टू पुट योर स्पीकर क्योंकि मैं कान तक नहीं पहुंच रहा है मेरा कान.
और वो बेचारा डायनासोर वो अपना थंब प्रिंट भी नहीं दे सकता. उसका थंब पहुंच रहा भी नहीं है नीचे तक कि अरे हाउ डू आई स्कैन माय थंब.
Then
हाँ बोल.
got to tell you about this movie called Shikari. Okay, this is the log line. A mad scientist hides deep in a remote jungle, conducting absurd medical experiments to surgically and genetically merge human beings with wild gorillas.
What?
Shikari.
क्या कौन है? who's the actor?
Shikari 1963. The actor.
भाई ये क्या 60s and sci-fi वाला मस्त चल रहा था भाई. We were in the age of scientific thinking. नेहरू जी ने बोला we have to be a scientifically thinking nation. तो पब्लिक बोला चलो गोरिल्ले को मिला देते हम ह्यूमन के साथ.
The film was loosely based on Hollywood films Dr. Cyclops and King Kong, where they just guzedoed both of them together.
ये तो चल रहा है बहुत सालों से। दिया और तूफान देखा क्या मिथुन का?
नहीं, क्या होता है
अरे
इसमें?
मिथुन
भाई,
मिथुन और मधु है पिक्चर में, ठीक है? यू नो, यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट फेमस सीन ऑन दिस वन ना,
it's a meme, yeah.
मीम
Oh
मीम
yeah,
बन गया है
oh
अभी।
this is
So basically मिथुन dies, and because मिथुन dies, Madhu, who's married to him or whatever, goes to the temple and she wants him to say, so she's pleading God or whatever, and then she tumbles down like 500 steps and has brain damage, and they need instant कुछ। अभी किसका दिमाग, अरे मिथुन का दिमाग एक काम करते हैं।
and they take it out of the oven, na? This is that.
हाँ, ओटीजी में रखा होता है because they are trying to show कि there is a storage space where the brain is kept. तो they've just taken an ओटीजी, just उसके अंदर दिमाग को स्टोर किया है। मेडिकल साइंस।
Bro, I can't believe, and then they put that in Madhu's head. Madhu, that actress, उसके दिमाग में डाल देते हैं। तो बॉडी मधु
हाँ,
की है लेकिन दिमाग मिथुन का है।
I got to tell you about a few other films where very strange things have happened, such as 2013's Sona Spa. Sona Spa was a film, very little known, less watched film, about a specialized luxury spa that allows wealthy, busy clients to buy sleep. The sleep is bought by hiring impoverished people to literally sleep on their behalf through a bizarre psychological transfer.
You know what? I would watch this.
I would buy
या
sleep.
Yeah, that also कि भाई तू सो मेरे लिए, but मेरे को उसके बेनिफिट मिले 100%।
it's
Because
it's
एक
a it's a it's a bypass out.
also I think everyone in this wins. Everyone wins. I'm getting to party all night without feeling
Yeah.
tired, and you get to sleep for a living, bro. Come on.
No,
Come
that's great.
on.
But इसमें कुछ है क्या, फ्लिप कैवियाट कुछ है, और कि ये हो रहा है, कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना, बिकॉज सब कुछ है।
Of course. Wait. So, by the way, this is a Nasiruddin Shah film. Like, he's in the film. And let me just find it.
बाप नहीं, बाप का बाप है ये।
Sona Spa.
Like all
Sona
these
Spa?
brain movies are somewhere in the realm of the Sinha family only. कि भाई दिमाग का कुछ भी होगा तो कोई ना कोई सिन्हा फैमिली से बुलाओ।
सोना स्पा में सोनाक्षी को लेना चाहिए था भाई।
सोनाक्षी।
The world is deprived of sleep. In Sona Spa, you can buy sleep for yourself. Here, girls, quote unquote, sleep workers. It's a metaphor for sleepwalking. Correct.
Oh.
Sleep workers
Again,
sleep
see,
for you, not with
I
you.
would watch this movie if it was made better. At
However-
least conceptually interesting लग रहा है कुछ।
However, they can also inhabit the kingdom of their clients' dreams. The place
आया ना
gives you
flip।
sleep but takes away your dreams. The reviews of this are,
I slept in this movie.
yes, this is the
I
best
slept very well.
alternative.
I recovered all my sleep.
And boys, we have to talk about, since we're talking about science fiction, we have to talk about this film called Shamitab. You guys remember Shamitab?
Shamitab was Amit ji and Dhanush.
Yes. The Shah is from Dhanush and Amitabh is from Amitabh. So Shamitab is the story of Dhanush, who's a struggling actor who's being rejected by different people because he has a terrible voice. So he does a live voice transfer or something like that, where Amitabh's voice becomes his voice, and that is how he sort
So
of
wait, so
becomes
he
a
has to go
superstar.
and act, and then Amit ji is on the side just voicing his dialogues.
Yes, it was literally a deep fake before a deep fake was a thing.
No, so it's called voiceover artist. Why? He can just act and then get some. How do you think Katrina Kaif lasted all this while in Bollywood? Watch the first 10, 15 movies of Katrina Kaif. She sounds like a different person each time.
Yeah,
Because
So
every
basically-
movie they were getting whoever is the current good dubbing artist who's there, who can dub for her Hindi.
So the thing is कि इसमें क्या होता है, Dhanush plays a guy called Danish, who is a mute from Igatpuri, and
Oh, he's mute.
yes, and then he meets an assistant director, Akshara, who is played by Akshara Hassan,
Kamala Hassan's daughter.
Kamala Hassan's daughter. Now Danish and Akshara go to a hospital to get a checkup, but doctors declare that his vocal cords are fully paralyzed. Akshara's father, though, reveals a new live voice transfer technology that exists in Finland, and you just have to fit a chip inside the patient's larynx. So they find a drunkard called Amitabh Sinha, played by Amitabh Bachchan, and so then the drunk and Danish, basically the drunk becomes Danish's voice, and then the story is about how Danish becomes famous and blah blah blah.
So Danesh sounds like, alright, अरे my
अरे
boy,
भाई,
हाँ.
सामान्य अद्भुत, कल्पना से भी
So that means they called Amitabh Bachchan to now dub for Dhanush.
Imagine to Dhanush.
yeah. Oh, that. This is really swinging for the fences, huh? What a plot!
Or they recorded Amitabh Bachchan just doing his dialogues casually, कि एक दिन आप आओ, you Morgan Freeman it. And then after that, now Dhanush has to act according to that. What is was playing एक Bluetooth speaker उसके जेब में रखते हैं. And Dhanush तेरे को सारे डायलॉग अभी ऐसे ही बोलना है. You have to lip sync. गाना करता है ना अभी एक कर.
1 second, this was done so long ago, you know that this is actually copied.
What?
This was done in the 1998 movie Koila,
Oh.
but there was no
Yeah,
live voice
where
chip.
Johnny Liver used to sing for
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah
Shah
Rukh
Rukh Khan is in the movie. He works for Amrish Puri और शाहरुख के मुंह में उन लोग कोयला डाल देते हैं ना
Correct.
बचपन
जब
में.
बच्चा
So,
होता है they put a hot koila here and he loses his voice. So
because he
now
has
Shah Rukh
seen
can't
something
talk.
happen and then they want him to be quiet
Yeah,
and
Amrish
not
Puri doesn't
reveal
want
it.
it to.
So
Yeah.
they put the koila in his mouth. Now he can't speak. But you remember the song? घूंघटे में चंदा है
Yes.
फिर भी है बेला चारों ओर उजाला. Now you see Shah Rukh mouthing it. But you know who's actually singing it in the movie? It's Johnny Lee.
Johnny Lever is singing it. Of all the
They are
people,
showing that Johnny Lever singing it. It's actually sung
Is
by
as the
Udit Narayan.
actor. हाँ.
But they are showing that Johnny Lever sings that song. And then Aadar ने मेरे को अभी मैं भूल ही गया था bro. They
So
showed
this
Aadar
is
बता.
literally so क्या होता है? Then again he tries to save Madhuri Dixit from the tyrannical Amrish Puri because Amrish Puri wants to marry Madhuri Dixit, which is very normal in Bollywood movies right now.
Yeah.
It's like, पहले अरे how can he marry somebody half his age? अभी तो
he's
So how dare she be only 2 years younger than him?
So now this guy wants to save Madhuri, but अमरीश पुरी गुस्सा होता है तो इसको धोते हैं एंड उसको नदी में फेंक देते हैं कोयला को एंड वहां पे
कोयला
एक कोयला को उसका नाम भी कोयला ही होता है ना उसका नाम भी तो कोयला को फेंक दिया और बाद में वेद बाबा finds him which is always वेद बाबाज आर ऑलवेज ऑन द रिवर्स लाइक रिवर के साइड पे एक वेद बाबा बैठा होता है एंड यू विल वॉश अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम ओनली
Oh,
तो
yeah.
वेद बाबा डज लाइक ऐसे
Surgery.
कॉम्प्लेक्स ENT सर्जरी विद स्टिक स्टोन्स बाजू में आग लगी हुई है नॉन एंड खोल के
Oh, I remember
उसके
this so
गर्दन
much.
में कोयला होता है और वो निकालता है
निकाल कोयला होता है. Correct. It was there lodged
and
for
now
years.
Shah Rukh Khan can speak.
Correct.
So how was he eating, drinking? Like इतना सा कुछ अटक जाता है ना गर्दन में. You are just
इतना सा ब्रो मैं देखो बताता हूँ मैं मेरी फेवरेट फिश है पॉम्फ्रेट बट पॉम्फ्रेट इज बोनी पॉम्फ्रेट का एक इतना मतलब पतला सा बोन मेरे गले में अटक गया था एंड इट पुट्स योर वर्ल्ड इनटू अ टिजी ब्रो बिकॉज यू कांट swallow it doesn't go, it just remains there and it continuously just annoying you. It's the worst feeling to get. I actually had to go to the emergency room, wait for a doctor who came and took it out for me. ऐसा हो गया था हालत. अगर मेरे गले में कोयला अटका है ना इतने 30 साल के लिए और सबसे पहले ब्रो गरम कोयला अगर तेरे मुंह में जाता तो तू पूरा you cease to have an esophagus और the voice box सब जल जाएगा ब्रो कोयला मुंह में क्या ठंडा हो गया अटक गया अभी. It's not.
Emotion.
But you know, I'll tell you what, राकेश जी बहुत करते हैं भाई मेडिकल
बहुत तेज है.
मैं संभाल लेता हूँ. खून भरी मांग, हाउ कैन वी फॉरगेट खून भरी मांग.
खून भरी मांग, कोयला, करण अर्जुन, कोई मिल गया. Somehow it's राकेश रोशन.
तो क्रिश भी देख ही ले वही है ना साई-फाई सुपर हीरो जस्ट मूव्स एनी हाउ व्हाटएवर हैपेंस. ऋतिक का बेटा ऋतिक अभी उसमें सुपर पावर आ गई क्योंकि जादू जो सन से अपनी एनर्जी ले रहा है उसने दे दिया. खून भरी मांग gets eaten by a crocodile but comes out as brand new रेखा from the showroom. ये कौन सा crocodile है जो सिर्फ
Showroom.
इधर ही काटता है crocodile कि भाई तेरा ये पार्ट खराब हो गया ना जल गया था तो मैं तेरे को इधर काटता हूँ so you'll get a new face.
But to the it's testament that Rakesh Bedi did not recognize Rekha at all. Like, how little did he look at his own wife while she was there? Ki now that she's hot.
Kabir Bedi.
Kabir, sorry,
Wow.
Rakesh
If
Bedi.
if Rakesh Bedi was married to Rekha, I think you would have looked at her once.
Bro, then you'll need two surgeries. You'll need Rekha and then you'll need to change Rakesh Bedi to Kabir Bedi.
I'm still in Dhurandhar hangover. Yes.
Rakesh Bedi, bro, someone should
Rakesh
declare-
Bedi needs his resurgence. Please cast Rakesh. Kabir Bedi in something now, because now we need Kabir Bedi to be in a Dhurandhar moment.
Also,
So
by the way, I
this
just want to. Sorry, go ahead. Finish it.
So she comes out. She looks the same, except उसने बाल खोल दिए हैं, and she's got better
साड़ी से
fashion
चेंज
sense.
करके ड्रेस पहन लिया, थोड़ा मेकअप
हाँ.
लगाया. No, and
So
her
the
face
doctor
was,
was less of a plastic surgeon, more of a stylist.
yeah, also plastic surgeon because face na, her face has that thing na, because
Has
she was
has a
burned or
she has
something.
like a birthmark,
निशान है.
burn mark. Yeah.
Like the only thing was that now every time she cried, no one took her seriously because she also had crocodile tears.
Wow. But why you can't blame Kabir Bedi for not recognizing that Rekha is his wife, because in रब ने बना दी जोड़ी,
Oh,
शाहरुख
man,
सिर्फ एक पतली मूछ निकालता है भाई, एंड ये अनुष्का शर्मा ने, ये कौन है बंदा? थिंक अबाउट दिस, वी आर मेक फॉर दैट सुपरमैन क्लार्क कैंट का सिर्फ ये और एक चश्मा है, और ये करता है तो चेंज. Nobody says
No,
anything.
so the lore there also has not been mentioned in the movies. The
Right.
glasses themselves are illusion-based glasses. That's his home tech. That's tech from his planet. So whenever he wears the glasses, there's a genuine, like it's like a confunctus charm. The way there's a confunctus charm in Harry Potter, it confuses the person when he's wearing the glasses.
Oh.
So that's the tech from his planet.
Okay, I want to pause here and just I want to do one. What if this was sold in Lenskart? Come on, यार क्या amazing होता है यार. Like मैं पहन लिया चश्मा और फिर तेरे को अभी दिख रहा है ऋतिक रोशन इधर. Wow.
हाँ. तो सिर्फ
हाँ?
ऋतिक रोशन ही है पूरे इंडिया में, तू इधर, अरे ये भी ऋतिक,
सिर्फ-
अबे तू भी ऋतिक, सिर्फ ऋतिक,
सिर्फ ऋतिक
सिर्फ ऋतिक ही है सब पूरे इंडिया में.
They'll
You'll have
to
like
rave.
174 unique faces. That's it. Whoever is the hottest person in that country, everybody in the country just looks like that person. So कौन रहेंगे फिर? टॉम क्रूज रहेगा, ब्रैड पिट, डेविड बेकहम, ऋतिक.
No, and you know, I feel like one person would choose a unique face just for the lols, you know. So then you'd have one guy who would look very, very different.
No, so then that guy will get more attention. Because he's like, bhai, everybody looks like Hrithik. I don't look like Hrithik, but I'm not bad looking. I don't wear that
Yeah.
chashma. Then he gets the most attention.
मैं इमरान हाशमी, like
Yeah.
मैं अलग. But okay, I want to just read out some plots. Okay,
No, it's
from the
Harman
side.
Bajwa. It's just that. Slightly off.
Baveja.
Bhaveja, Bajwa.
Bhavej.
Bajwa तो उसका
So
career
there's
था.
there was a there's a 2023 film called Mark Anthony. So
Huh?
in the film,
Oh.
yeah, Mark
Bollywood movie.
Anthony, Tamil.
Ah.
So in the film, Mark, the son of gangster Anthony.
No
Mark, the son of
connection
gangster
to
Anthony.
Roman Mark Anthony.
हाँ.
Not yet. But could be because Mark finds a telephone which can contact the past.
Oh.
But Madan, the son of rival gangster Jackie, wants it for himself. तो तू फोन घुमाएगा और कोई पास्ट में फोन उठाएगा.
But
Who
what a
would you call?
lame thing. तू सिर्फ फोन कर रहा है पास्ट में, मुझे बात नहीं करनी है पास्ट में.
नहीं, but you're like अच्छा देख अभी गोल्ड खरीद क्योंकि
हाँ वही,
बढ़ना
हाँ
है.
हाँ, सुन रिलायंस खरीद ले फटाफट. हाँ.
But who would you, if you
But
could call
then
anybody?
wouldn't that affect what is happening to you? Like it'll affect what is happening. But then you're creating a paradox because your timeline will remain the same. You're just helping.
Let's see if Mark Anthony has dared.
No,
deep
I'll
into
call
this.
myself. I'm not calling anybody. I'm calling myself. कि अरे सुन,
You call
एक काम
yourself
कर.
only.
एक काम कर, तू खरीद ले अभी रिलायंस का शेयर. मैं अपने 87 में जब पैदा हुआ, हेलो, लेकिन मैं बच्चा हूँ अभी. सीन वो है, मुझे
Oh.
पैसे कौन देगा?
Listen to this. In
Just call
1975,
yourself in the past and go. Don't say that it wasn't my fault. Just say it's your fault. Or just tell yourself to accept blame. So avoid a fight with your girlfriend.
wow, that's a very, very, very,
Very
so-
specific.
actually,
Other, are you trying
Yeah.
to tell us something? Is there?
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah,
trying to tell
it's-
Aparna something through this podcast?
Yeah, it's like there was no need. There was no need to have that fight.
That you have been given the luxury of calling yourself in the past and you're saying, say, except it's your fault.
बोल दे तूने हगा था ब्रो.
नहीं, मैं तो
So-
शेयर्स खरीद लूंगा.
अननेसेसरी. अरे शेयर्स तो खरीदेगा ही, वो तो बोलेगा ही ना पहले शेयर्स खरीद, बट ऑल्सो
सॉरी बोल.
So
सॉरी भी बोल.
the plot device is basically this. In 1975, Chiranjeevi, a scientist, invents a telephone that allows its users to make calls to people in the past by selecting a date. But only one call can be made for
Ah,
each
ये तो
selected date.
हाँ?
Only one call for each selected date.
They're using Terminator.
Oh, but you can
rules.
still make multiple calls.
Multiple
I thought
calls,
only
different
one
dates.
call.
No, different dates you can call. So if you extinguish one date, then that's gone. That date is finished.
Ah, that's fine. I mean, you still have 365 days a year. तू 365 अलग call कर सकता है.
Bro, imagine you called somebody in the past, but you're on Vodafone's network or whatever my internet is on, and तू बोल रहा है कि अरे buy stocks, Infosys में अब भी invest कर.
क्या
Right?
मैं stocks
And-
खरीदूं? Stocks कौन से stocks? अरे Reliance अबे इधर
And
देखो
you
Reliance के
realize
stocks
कि
नहीं
when
मिल
you were
रहे.
that young, तेरे पास अकाउंट में खाली 400 रुपए थे.
अबे तेरे पास अकाउंट भी नहीं था. झूठे तेरे को अपने बाप को बोलना पड़ेगा. पापा खरीद लो प्लीज. कोई मुझे stocks
बाप
खरीदने
बोलेगा
बोल रहा है
what?
फोन कर.
बाप बोल रहा है नहीं, हम तो एफडी में ही करेंगे. अरे पापा प्लीज,
अरे
मुझे फोन
पापा
है.
एफडी का रिटर्न 5% है मत करो. अरे नहीं, सॉक्स का तो कुछ रिटर्न नहीं है. अरे पापा मैं फ्यूचर से फोन है बोला सॉक्स खरीद. और फिर तेरे बाप ने बहुत सारे
You are
सॉक्स
literally
खरीद लिए.
investing on futures. You are literally investing on futures.
Futures and options.
And you have multiple stock options. You have, so then
Stock
you
options.
you come in the present and then you're like, क्या हुआ? कुछ हुआ इससे? नहीं चूतिए. You'll just, your feet will not smell bad because you'll have a sock for every occasion that you've collected.
The
Just kept
guy,
buying socks.
the guy who's called you, okay, says कि तू खरीद ले और बाद में मेरे को दे दे, ठीक है, ये डेट पे. So now he goes to the guy's house and he's like, तूने खरीदा? हाँ, आजा इधर ये रूम में रखा है. ये रूम
अबे
में
रूम में रखा है मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली खरीदा. तेरे पास शेयर सर्टिफिकेट है? क्या सर्टिफिकेट? शेयर सर्टिफिकेट है खरीदने का. क्या खरीदने का? तूने क्या खरीदा? इधर है देख. ये ले मैं लेके आया तेरे लिए 30 साल बाद. अबे
फ्री साइज है.
मैं 30 साल पुराने सॉक्स क्या करूं मैं लेके इसका. आपने सॉक्स नहीं बोला था, मैंने स्टॉक्स बोला था. गांडू तू भैंचो मेरा कॉल वेस्ट कराया तूने. अभी सॉक्स बेच रहा है रेलवे स्टेशन पे. ले लो 30 साल पुराने सॉक्स ले लो. नहीं मैं सॉक्स नहीं ले सकता. मैं स्टॉक्स लेने जा रहा हूँ अभी तो. Suck it.
But please make this happen. Please make this win somebody.
Please.
Right. Okay.
So then there's always the medical stuff that is healed in obnoxious ways, which I think Jigar has again inspired Christopher Nolan.
अरे
I'll
जिगर
explain.
पिक्चर.
I'll
How many
explain.
people have
So
watched जिगर? अजय
he is
देवगन कराटे मूवी.
Karate,
या और उसका
which
कोच
is
होता है लॉयन
a
अजीत.
Van
In a-
Damme movie,
Huh?
which is a remake of a Van Damme movie.
Yeah.
So, young man trains rigorously. I don't know why rigorously is always a funny word for me. Man trains rigorously. So he is a martial artist. Okay. अब क्या होता है? Doctor confirms that he has sustained an injury because of one strike on his torso that has literally displaced his internal organs. Like हिल गया उसके internal organs. तो वो अपने martial arts गुरु के पास जाता है, who analyzes without x-ray, just देखता है उसको बॉडी को, and then calculatedly gives another punch, counter punch, and his liver and lungs go back into place.
And you know who this is played by? It's played by Ajit. Lawyen
Ajit.
Ajit. Lawyen Ajit. So Lawyen Ajit is always in a karate outfit, ऐसे white दाढ़ी करके. And the whole, it's that movie bro, martial arts वाला movie है Van Damme का, where he gets beaten, then he's on, then उसको organs rearrange होता
और
है,
फिर
then he
ऐसा पाउडर
trains.
फेंकता है, वो अंधा हो जाता है और फिर
हाँ.
अंधा में लड़ाई करता है.
और उसको कैसे ट्रेन करा? एग्जैक्टली he makes him train in such a way that lot of times the opponent ना they win by cheating. उन लोग ऐसे पाउडर, which I don't know how they allowed that. Okay, बॉक्सिंग तेरा फाइटिंग चालू है, the गुंडा always puts something in his opponent's eyes so they can't see anything, and then he beats him और मर जाता है. So जब ये second round के लिए जा रहा है after his heal, the training process is that उसके आँख पे ऐसे पट्टा बांधते हैं and he has to now
Oh.
just get his senses correct. कि अरे मैं को
Yeah.
सुन के करूँगा, imagine I'm blind, how will I do it?
उसमें से चाय रखते हैं टेबल पे, और चाय टेबल पे रख रहा होता है और अजय देवगन को पीना है, एंड वो बना रहा है चाय, तभी सडनली अजीत विल अटैक एंड दैट्स व्हेन ही हैज टू प्रीएम्प्ट. तो चाय को भी
So-
संभालना है, अजीत का हाथ भी संभालना है.
Ah.
भाई ब्लड स्पोर्ट, द मूवी
Blood
वाज कॉल्ड ब्लड
sport.
स्पोर्ट.
Correct, correct,
By the
correct,
way,
correct.
Ajay did a bank heist version of this called Aankhe. Like यही तो है.
नहीं नहीं
अजय
अजय
नहीं
नहीं है
है
उसमें.
वो अक्षय है वो.
आखिर में नहीं है अक्षय है.
अक्षय.
नहीं, हाँ,
अक्षय
अक्षय
परेश
परेश रावल.
रावल and
But
Arjun
also
Raw.
in Jigar, एक होता है how he trains his hands to be lethal weapons.
गरम
मैंने
गरम सैंड
गरम रेत में मम्मी का मैंने पतीला ले लेके जो सैंड बॉक्स में जाके ये किया है
Oh, wow.
हफ्तों तक, कि मैं भी
But
मैं भी martial artist.
when I watched the movie, I loved it, bro. In the
Yeah, I
90s,
loved
you know,
it.
it was basically Ajay needed an excuse to do this, right?
Split.
तो कैसे कराटे स्प्लिट कर लूंगा ना, अभी कोई कुछ थोड़ी बोलेगा मुझे. And he was the only guy. Him and Akshay Kumar were the two guys who could do a 180 split in the 90s, and they gouzed it everywhere. Same
It was
चीज ना,
also
medical
very-
stuff done by people. How they just correct. Jimmy करके एक movie था with Mimmo. Have you guys watched it?
Oh, by the way,
Yeah,
I'm looking forward to watching Mimo's latest release. Haunted
And we are going to do
movie.
that also. We are going to do
Echoes of the
Haunted.
Past.
that'll be a haunted episode. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. So this movie though is called Jimmy. Jimmy में मिथुन का बेटा मिम्मो plays engineer by day but dancing sensation by night. Straight. Because he is dancing sensation. ठीक है. उसके पीछे rival public पड़े and he finds out that there's a plot to kill him. ठीक है. He also finds out that he has brain tumor.
Oh.
And then people are like, भाई तो अपने आप को समझ like नहीं, I'm going to take on these guys, ये मेरे को कैसे माने, मैं इनको मारूंगा. तो उसका फाइट होता है पब्लिक के साथ, और फाइट होते वक्त one of the goons hits him on the head and his tumor is healed.
Oh,
Bro, I'm telling you, both father and son, because he's looked at his father's movie like, देख मेरे बाप का दिमाग निकाल के मधु के दिमाग में डाला है ना, मधु कराटे कर रही है. That was वो उसका पहला वाला जो ब्रेन ट्रांसप्लांट मूवी बोला. तो अगर मेरे बाप के टाइम पे चल गई तो मेरी पिक्चर क्यों नहीं चल सकती. तो जिमी में यही, उसका ब्रेन ट्यूमर इज क्योर्ड बाय हिट टू द हेड.
bro, imagine how in demand that goon would be if he actually knew how to replicate this.
ट्यूमर बाबा, उसका नाम
he would-
ट्यूमर बाबा होएगा.
he would
He's
stop-
going to America, लंदन, जस्ट कैसे सर प्लीज हील कर दो. आज चमाट मारता है लोगों को सर पे.
चमड़ में एक डंडा मारता है सर पे और सब ठीक.
या तो ट्यूमर ठीक होगा या आपका ब्रेन हेमरेज होएगा.
दोनों में से एक.
In both cases, the tumor will end.
या तो आई विल टेक आउट योर ट्यूमर, या तो ट्यूमर.
Oh no! If you thought that joke was really funny, please write tumor in the comments.
ट्यूमर या ट्यूमर. एंड देन आई विल नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गाइस वॉच टिल द एंड ऑफ अ फकिंग
Till the
वीडियो. हम लोग
end.
डेढ़ का घंटे का वीडियो बनाते हैं, तुम लोग आधे में निकल जाते हो. इफ यू स्टे टिल द एंड, राइट ट्यूमर
Yes.
या ट्यूमर इन
And
द कमेंट्स. नो सेम ना. अपना तूने वो देखा कि नहीं, रजनी का एंथीरन रोबोट पहले वाला, दैट्स आल्सो फुल साइफाई ना. अपने इस पे वो है रोबोट, लेकिन वो करता कुछ भी है. देखा है तूने उसमें चिट्टी.
Chitty, yes, of
Chitty.
course, of course.
मजा तो आया था लेकिन पिक्चर देख.
Iconic.
रावण ब्रो, हाउ डू वी फॉरगेट रावण.
Oh yeah.
रावण
Video
वो
game.
साइफाई वीडियो गेम. इन दैट देयर इज एक्चुअल सीन where they explain what electricity is.
Wow.
And it is explained like, oh क्या बात कर रहे हैं, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऐसा होता है. He's a video
One
game
thing I
character who
love,
comes to life,
the
no?
anecdotal thing I love about Ravan is that his name is not Ravan, is the villain's name. So the movie is named after Arjun Kapoor,
Yes.
and Shah Rukh Khan is playing Jeevan.
ये जीवन.
And at one point when they were promoting the movie Ravan, and ये शाहरुख ने कोई इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि आर्यन खान asked him, we could have just called the movie Jeevan. Why didn't we just call
No,
the movie?
but you can't because G1 was G.O.N.E. So it looked like gone.
Gone. Yeah,
Oh.
correct.
But then they could have just made it. Just change
Gone.
the damn title. But I
Yeah.
think everyone was so tied to the idea that
अरे रावण.
Ravan and G.1.
And उस टाइम वो भी चल रहा था
And
ना,
Ra.1
Maniratnam
was
also
random
releasing
access
Ravan.
one. It was random access one. That was his real thing. रैम को छोटा कर दिया, रैंडम एक्सेस, मेमोरी निकालो, उसकी जगह पे वर्जन 1 रावण.
Hey,
What is G1 then? General one.
by the way, there's a
I
2007
forget.
Marathi movie where Pushkar stumbles upon a magical jacket which fulfills wishes of the people who wear it. Determined to impress the girl he loves, he decides to express his feelings by entering a dance competition with her.
Arey.
Come
He
on.
got a jacket that can make his wish come true, and he's like, "चल मैं नाचता हूँ."
Yes.
Just if your wish is for her to fall in love with you, obsession हो सकता था ये. This could have been the OG obsession. Instead of one wish willow, you have a one jacket झोल.
Superb.
Could have been the case, bro.
Superb.
फिर एक नील नितिन मुकेश का पिक्चर था कौन आ देखे जरा, where a photographer, sad, done with life, has nothing good going for him. He inherits a camera. Now guess what that camera has?
Future देख सकता है.
The camera can predict the future. And
Dude,
then
if
in
you
the
combine-
process, dangerous enemies are after that same camera. And now he
If
has
you
to
combine, if one day you went and you bought two devices which you sorely needed, you went and you bought a camera and a phone. And with the camera, you can see pictures of the future, and with the phone, you can call one day to the past.
Correct. क्या बात है,
on.
मस्त मस्त. और अगर तेरे को लगे हाथ एक जैकेट भी मिल गया
Oh,
तो सॉर्ट ना, तो तू जैकेट पहन, फोन घुमा, हेलो पास्ट, हाँ सॉक्स नहीं, हेलो फ्यूचर. अभी बता आज मैं प्रेजेंट में कौन से सॉक्स खरीदूं, सॉरी स्टॉक्स खरीदूं.
वे सॉक्स नहीं, जैकेट.
जैकेट खरीद. अरे क्या बात कर रहा है. मजेदार. सही है. और कुछ है कि और गाइस, इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड एनी crazy funny
Yeah.
sci-fi movies in Bollywood or any other from Indian cinema, let us know in the comments and we'll check some of them out. And yeah, this was our episode on the weird science that you see in Bollywood. There's going to be a lot more fun Bollywood centric episodes coming, especially next week when we are going to do Haunted starring Mimmo, because the new one has just released and the old one is one of Kautuk's favorite movies. तो आप लोग भी देख लो Haunted, तो आके साथ में बजाएंगे Haunted की.
It has shaped my childhood.
Oh wow, why was your childhood now in 2010? That's childhood.
but haunted is very fun. We will be doing horror in Bollywood in the next one. And by the way, we've missed a few which Love Story 2050, etc. Some of the classics, but we'll
But
deep dive
क्या
into
करें
those
Love
later.
Story?
I think
What can we say about Love Story 2050 that has not already been said? Pretty movie है.
I
But
think
कभी
it'll come
करेंगे?
and we'll get it during romance. We'll get it on
Yeah.
a romance episode.
हाँ.
I can't wait for the year 2050 just to compare 2050 with Love Story 2050.
Just to
But
show.
ये था ना, like we crossed the Back to the Future. The flying cars were in 2015.
Wow,
Yeah.
quite a letdown.
Anyway, but chalo, that's it from this episode of The Internet Said So. Once again, a reminder to please buy tickets for our show Bollywood Postmortem happening in Pune and Bombay this weekend, Amsterdam and London in July. तो please फटाफट खरीद लेना. टिकट लिंक नीचे है. और देखते रहो, थोड़ा लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंगेजमेंट सब करो, अपनी भी
और
engagement
Vlogish, go watch the Vlogish. इतना
Vlogish,
तुम लोग
भाई.
बोलते हो, now we are putting it up, then go watch it.
करो. Go watch it. मजेदार. चलो, that's it from this episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salam ishq. Salman ishq. Salman ishq. अरे भाई, we forgot one movie. It's called जाने होगा क्या,
जाने होगा क्या?
starring आफ्ताब.
Oh,
और ये मूवी पता है क्या होता है? A doctor who's obsessed with new technology and science decides to clone himself when he comes in contact with a sponsor. I have
With a
no idea.
sponsor?
Yeah, that's the IMDb description of this movie.
movie was ahead of its time. Movie was ahead of its time because I mean, we'll all do anything for a brand deal.
Yeah. So if you're a brand and you want to sponsor this video, just let us know. sponsor this podcast. Let us know, please. आ जाओ, मजेदार.